I'm on the Ninja 1000 SX 2024 at Laguna Seca. Came up to the Moto America races. I already tried the Ninja 500. Check out that one if you want to see about that. Trying to figure out the quick shifter. Oh, this 1000 is awesome. Okay, so I'm going to compare it. The Ninja 500 was my first Ninja I've ever ridden. I'm 6 foot, 32-inch inseam, 220 pounds. This 1000 fits me a lot better. 500 was nice. It was a little more cramped in the legs. This is more relaxed. Oh, that quick shifter is nice. Yeah, this is a lot smoother than the 500. That felt really lightweight though, the 500. This is actually doesn't feel heavy to me. I mean, I'm used to heavy bikes. I have a Kawasaki Z900 RS, also a K1600 BMW K1600 GTL 2015. This is much smaller than the K1600 for sure. More buzzy than the K1600. I can feel a little bit. The thing is, I'm not wearing my riding pants. I'm wearing thin pants. I feel everything in these. The mirrors are good. Yeah, the mirrors are really good. Nice and calm. Feels like even more upright than the 500. Felt really confident on those turns too. Yeah, it's even nice and 6. I'm just above 3 grand. It doesn't feel like it's chugging or anything. Kick it down here twice, no clutch. 4th, kick it down one more time. 3rd. Okay, gonna wait. Oh yeah, it's nice. Rolling on. Stayed in 2nd. Oh yeah, this engine is a dream. Really smooth. One more time. Oh, this quick shifter. My Z900 RS should have a quick shifter. That bike should come with it. I would have paid a couple grand more to have that on there. It's fine without it, but that's that just premium touch. But damn, I was just saying, I knew I shouldn't have ridden this. I was just about to buy a Ninja 400, which I probably still am, because I love that light bike feel. I've been riding over 10 years. People try to say those light bikes, small displacement bikes, are for beginners only, and they're not. There's something really fun about having a super light bike you could whip around. Plus, I already have a K1600 and the Z900 RS, which they're both fast like this, so the windscreen does a good job of keeping the wind off your torso. My chest, feel it hitting just at my chin. Do yourself a favor. If you have only the money to buy a Ninja 400, Ninja 500, don't test this bike. This bike actually feels a lot smaller to me than I thought it was gonna be. Not like scrunched up, but it doesn't feel as hefty as I thought it would be. God, that quick shifter. It's gonna piss me off. My dad has a quick shifter in his 1600 GTL. He never uses it because he's old and doesn't try new things. Should just switch my bike out for his, see if he notices. Let's see. Low speed turn. Super comfortable. Concluding thoughts. It's fantastic. Don't test ride unless you have the money, because you want to take it home. Ninja 1000 SX 2024.